Students, Assalamu alaikum. I am here with General Science of class 6 in the unit is 3. The name of the unit is sensitivity in living organism. We are discussing in this chapter about the sensitivity, which is one of the characteristics of living thing. Just like you can say, living thing can eat, non-living thing cannot, living thing can move, while non-living thing cannot do this process. So, similarly, sensitivity is also one of the property of living thing, which living thing can feel. We are defining sensitivity in these words: the ability of an organism to respond to a stimulus is called sensitivity. हम कह सकते हैं कि किसी भी ऑर्गेनिज्म की वो एबिलिटी जिसमें वो स्टिमुलस के साथ वो रिस्पॉन्ड करे कि जिस तरह स्टिमुलस से वो रिस्पॉन्स करे तो उसको हम सेंसिटिविटी। जस्ट लाइक यू कैन से गर्मी का मौसम है, गर्मी के मौसम में आपको गर्मी फील होती है तो आप अगर बाहर जब अंदर आके पंखे के नीचे बैठ जाते हैं, आपको सर्दी फील होती है, आप जो है यहाँ से कंबल या रज़ाई वगैरह लेके अपने आप को छुपा लेते हैं। तो दीज आर कॉल्ड सेंसिटिविटी। इसी तरह सेंसिटिविटी ये है कि हम कहते हैं कि हमारे पास एक पौधा है टचनीना, आप उसको हाथ लगा दें तो द प्लांट विल क्लोज देयर लीव्स। दिस इज सेंसिटिविटी। So now we are defining stimulus. What is stimulus? The external effects which produces changes in the behavior of an organism is called stimulus. The external effects which produce changes in the behavior of an organism. यानी जिस तरह मैंने कहा गर्मी का कि अगर ये सूरज हमें तंग करे तो सूरज क्या है हमारे लिए? सूरज हमारे लिए स्टिमुलस है, और जो हम मूव कर गए so this is our response. So the second one is response. The reaction of an organism to a stimulus is called a response. The reaction of an organism to a stimulus is called a response. Now come to the topic. We are studying sensitivity in living organism. We have a living organism into two groups. They may be plants. The first one is plants. The second one is animals. In plants, we have some unicellular organism, and other one are multicellular. Multicellular. In unicellular, we can say, for example, Euglena, amoeba, Chlamydomonas. They have a proper organ which is called eye spot. They have proper organ for sensitivity which is known as eye spot. So when it feels, then according to the stimulus, these organisms move from one place to another place. While in case of multicellular plants, we have three types of movements. That is gnostic movement, tactic movement, and tropic movement. These are the types of movements in plants. But here we are discussing only a tropic movement in plants. So, tropic movements are those movements which are tropic movements. those moments which are according to the stimulus. So there are two stimulus for tropic moment. One is light and the other is sound. Mean these moments are due to light and sound. So those moments which are due to light, they are called phototropism. Phototropism. And the moments which are due to sight, they are called geotropism. They are called geotropism. Due to sight. So, if we take a plant, its root move toward side. Its root move toward side, and its shoot move toward light. So phototropism means we can say the moment of shoot is due to light, so they are called positive phototropism. On the other side, the moment of root is away from light, they are considered to be negative phototropism. Similarly, in geotropism, they may be positive, may be negative. It may be positive if we consider root move toward side, so they are positive geotropism, and should move away from side due to light, so they are considered as a negative geotropism. So your home assignment will be, dear student, you have to read page 21 and 22. Thoroughly please read these two pages. Then if you have any problem, any question, contact me.